everybody, it's Lisa from the House of Jane. Welcome to my little corner of the world today. I hope everybody's having a wonderful Saturday. And today I'm making a video to show you another contest win. I was really lucky and I entered a contest on Instagram and I got a very nice package. So I did take a peek at it because I didn't want to be totally surprised, but what I peeked at so far, I was blown away, totally blown away. The company is a online giftware company called Kizmet, K-I-Z-M-E-T company, and I will leave the details down below. Like I said, I won their contest that they hosted on Instagram/Facebook. They did the random generator picker, and I was fortunate. So here's the box, nicely packaged. Kizmet is a giftware company, like I said. It's a curated gift box company, created for those who can't settle for ordinary. We aim to add more flair and fun to the gifting experience by giving our customers items with more personality. So you pick the gifts and the card and they box it and send them. Very simple concept. And here's a picture of the founder and creative director. Her name is Sherry O. She looks like a very young chickie, and good for her for having a curated gift box company at such a young age. She looks like a doll. She wrote me a very sweet note called "Thanks a Bunch," congratulating me on the giveaway and stuff. I keep notes kind of private, so thank you, Sherry. And here are the goods. So I'll open each one and show you. This is going to go right in the refrigerator. It is caramel, sea salt, and dark chocolate, 60% cocoa. I love dark chocolate. It's by Endangered Species Chocolate, so I'm betting a bunch of proceeds go for maybe to save the elephants. Let's see. Yep, 10% of net profits to save our wildlife. Very nice. This is going to go straight to the refrigerator. It's pretty hot here in Virginia, but I like the heat. I enjoy it. I just don't like the bugs because I get bitten. They love me for some reason, so I try to cover up, but the bugs just love their Lisa. Anyway, taking out the next item. It's a really pretty coffee mug made of glass, which I actually need because I had one just like this saying Starbucks that someone gifted me, and I broke it. It's broken, so I really needed this. And I love pink. It looks like peach. So that's really nice. Very nice. Basil, sage, and mint candle. Oh, smells delicious. I can eat it. It's got one of those wooden wicks, which I like. It's a soy candle. These wooden wicks are cool. If you haven't tried a wooden wick candle, you should. They're neat. Love it. Love it. 2 bath bombs. Looks really pretty as well. Oh, I can smell it through the paper. I probably have to take a bath. I'm one of those girls who only takes a bath maybe because I'm a shower girl, maybe a few times a year, and then every time I take a bath I'm just like, why don't I do this more often? It's so lovely. But I get impatient and then the water gets, I like it really hot, and then it gets cold, whatever. Here's a little bag. You can put all sorts of goodies in here. It's metallic, and they stuffed it with nice tissue paper. So that's sweet. And what else? Oh, there's more stuff. Ooh! Nail polish. It's called Cute. I love purple. It's one of my favorite colors. Maybe I'll try a sample before this video is over. And yes, these are my real nails. Here's another little bag, very cute little wristlet. Got all sorts of goodies in that. And love all this stuff. I have a mess to clean up. Oh, a little journal. So I don't know about you, but I journal every day. I keep a planner and I write in it every day because it makes me feel good to accomplish things. The main things I track in my journal are exercise and Spanish. I've been teaching myself Spanish for the last 2 years, and I mostly use Duolingo. It's a free online Spanish program, but if you didn't want to learn Spanish, you can go onto Duolingo and learn. You probably have like 30 different languages you can learn there. Practice that every day, and I am also a jazzerciser, so I try to do jazzercise like 3-4 times a week. So those are the kind of things I would put in my journal. It makes me feel good to get that stuff done, and you know, it's good for my mental state too. Otherwise, I tend to be a little lazy, and the exercise keeps me in shape, and also exercises my mind, especially the Spanish. Anyway, maybe one day I'll do a Spanish video. I would love any comments in Spanish, because I read it better than I speak it. I am not going to speak Spanish right now because my accent is just between the New York accent and the Virginia accent. My Spanish accent is quite interesting, to say the least. But that is everything in this wonderful gift box from Kizmet Company. Thank you, Sherry, so much for sending me these lovely items. I really appreciate them a lot. And you know, it's, to me, I think the small things mean so much. I know that she took the time to make a curated box. She took the time to write me a nice note, and then she took the time to mail it, to package and mail it, and got to me, and I really appreciate that. So thank you so much, Sherry. Everybody go check out her website and her Instagram and her Facebook, and learn more about her company. She's a young woman that I would love to promote. So that is it. Love all the items. Gonna light that candle. I'm eyeing it. I'm gonna light it real soon. So anyway, guys, have a great Saturday, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.